Hey guys, in today's video, I want to announce the launch of our brand new Facebook group for anyone who is interested in participating in pop-up events, festivals, markets, etc. Then I would love for you to join because this Facebook group is meant to accompany our Let's Pop Shop series, where you will learn everything you need to know to master the art of selling at vendor events. It will be a place for you to ask questions and look for inspiration and ideas from other vendors. And it's meant to be a community where you can feel like your questions are being answered in real time. I will be posting updates and announcements as we move forward with the series, and we're going to begin accepting members on March 25th, so you can go ahead and request to join. This Facebook group is going to be intended for anyone who is a pop-up event vendor or any type of vendor. You sell something online perhaps and you want to participate in in-person events, and also for event organizers who are looking for vendors or would just like to hear feedback from vendors as they prepare for their next big event. The title of this group is called Pop-Ups and Vendor Events Tips and Tricks, Let's Pop Shop. And the title may evolve over time as the group evolves, but I will link to it in the description bar down below, so you should be able to access the link and request to join even if the title changes in 6 months. So who can join? This is going to be for anyone who is looking to learn more about participating in-person vendor events of any kind. So it really can be a farmer's market, a pop-up held in a retail location, a pop-up that you partner with a coffee shop owner. It could be a festival, it could be a market, anything you can think of where a vendor or a store is going to be selling products in person during a temporary event. This group is for you, and it's also for the event organizers who are interested in planning events. You'll also be able to ask questions about the Let's Pop Shop video series. And in case you missed the first 2 weeks, what we covered so far is where to find pop-up events and how to plan your year, and then also how to get inspiration for your vendor booth setup and where to find displays. So if you missed those 2 videos, I will link to them down in the description bar. Next up, we'll be talking about how to find products for upselling at these types of events. And also, we'll be talking about how to promote the event leading up to the event itself. With that, I hope to see you in the group, and I cannot wait to get to know you and your brand. So, I'm gonna end the video here. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the upcoming videos in the Let's Pop Shop series. And with that, I'll see you guys next time.